It's an unboxing video, address hidden for privacy. What have we got? We have some things from the brand Obscurian. Let's see if I can coax these little guys out. We got a pair of skull earrings. We got, what are oh, why do I feel stupid about now? We got, what I think might be a necklace. Let's take a see. Yep, it's a choker. It's a nice spiked choker in silver. Okay, where's your opener, little one? We have a next up camera. Is the really this one's prettier in person than on the website. Now, where is your clasp? You dumbass. Not bad. I might have to shorten the chain a little, but it is what it is. And last but not least, with all due respect, what the crap up? I think this is a headband of some kind. Which I think goes like this. Yeah. And then well, that has got to be the shortest unboxing I've ever seen. Hope you liked. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye now.